today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing the 360 display turntable meant for filming and photography. I'm gonna give my thoughts and opinions about this item and see if it's worth your money. So right here we do have the product itself, and we're going to be opening that right now. So first thing we do get in the box is the charger right there. Next thing is obviously the product itself. And third but not least is obviously the box it came in. So I'm going to be going over the stats about this item while I show you some B-roll shots that I filmed earlier today with this product right here. So on the right left button you can switch it to clockwise or counterclockwise. The speed regulation is 2R, 4R, and 6R. Regulation is 45 degrees, 95 degrees, 180 degrees, and 360 degrees. It has a micro USB 5V DC-IN. Or off, you press any of the keys for 3 seconds. It contains an 18650 lithium battery or 3 AA batteries not included. Charge LED indicator built-in, red charging, green fully charged. So those were all the stats on the box, so let's get opening to the product itself. So it does come with a little reflective sheet right here and a white background. I did put some AA batteries already in here, so we can just turn it on right now and you're going to see how it works. So now it's pretty much spinning and you can put any item on there, for example this, and you're going to be seeing what I mean for B-roll shots. Exactly like this is going to be spinning, so you don't have to be moving the camera around. It just does that for you. It can go up to 2 different speeds, I believe. I'm pretty sure this is the fastest speed, pretty fast, and then it back down to the lowest speed. But right there at the middle speed, I think that's perfect, and you can see how the light reflects back and forth around that. And then just to turn it off, you can just hold any button for 3 seconds. It is rechargeable, I do believe, but I just had the batteries in there since it's a little bit more convenient. So yeah, this was around $23. Not bad. Could it be a little cheaper? Yeah, is this really worth almost $25? No, not really. It depends. Well, it really depends how much you do use this product. I might be using this a lot for fancy B-roll shots, or just to make your video look a lot more professional, or for photography. Then yeah, it would be worth it. I think this thing is pretty sturdy. But $25. It really depends on how much you use it. If you don't use it much, I would think it should be worth around maybe $10 to $15. 25, it's a little pricey, but overall it is a pretty good product. I'm not exactly sure how much weight you put on it. Like, could you really put this on here? Let's see. Okay, alright, that's a little impressive. Yeah, I was not expecting that. And how cool does this look like? Look for on display. Just have this going on in the background spinning. And you can't really see it. Okay, that's pretty cool. Yeah. So I didn't really know how much it could hold, but it can hold quite a lot of weight on there unexpectedly. So yeah, would I recommend getting this? I would think so. It is a little bit on the pricey side, but I do think it depends on the person who uses it that much. It is really nice. It's a very nice clean color. Obviously it's just white. It is really good, and I would recommend buying this if you're gonna use it a lot for photography or some nice B-roll shots in your video. So at the price of $25, it's not that bad. I would highly recommend getting it. It was pretty fast delivery, and yeah, I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did find this useful, please let me know down in the comments below, and this product will be down in the description below as well. So I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.